Mode of group data. Example: a survey conducted on 20 households in a locality by a group of students resulted in the following frequency table for the number of families members in household. Find the mode of this data. So family size and number of families. So 1 to 3 family size, so 7 families. 3 to 5 family members, 8 families. 5 to 7 2 families. 7 to 9 2 families. 9 to 1 family. Okay, so this is family size and this is number of families. So for this data we have to find mode. Okay, so what is mode here that we going to do here? So answer for this is okay, rearrange the above data by rearranging. So family size and number of families, one to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 9, 9 to 11, and these are 7 families and 8 families, 2 families, 2 families, 1 family. So we arranged this data like this. So here we have to find model class. So which is the model class? The highest family members. Here this is the frequency. Okay, 7, 8, 2, 2, 1 are these are frequencies. The highest frequency, this is a model class. Okay, this is model class and this is lower boundary. Okay, so average of this one and this one is taken as L, and the frequency of this is taken as F1, and this is F0 and this is F2. Okay, so the mode of this data is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 whole into H. So here H is length of the class. So length of the class. So difference between 5 and 7 or 9 and 7 or any two lower boundaries or any two higher boundaries. Okay, so here lower limit this L is average of this one and this one. So 3 plus 3 by 2 is equal to 6 by 2 is equal to 3, and H is equal to, so how much difference between these lower boundaries or difference between these upper boundaries. Okay, so H is 2 here, and this is F1 and this is F0 and this is F2. Okay, so F1 is frequency of model class, and what is F0? This is the frequency of class preceding the model class. This is model class, before this is the class, so against this is the F0. And what is F2? F2 is frequency of the class succeeding the model class. So after this one, so this is the succeeding class and this is preceding class. Okay, so now we substitute these values in this formula. Okay, so L is 3 plus what is F1? 8. 8. F0 how much? 7 by 2 into F1 8, F0 7 and F2. What is F2? 2 into H. What is H? 2. Now 3 plus, so this is 1 by 2 8 is 16 and minus 7 minus 2 minus 9 into 2. So 3 plus, so this is 1 by how much? 16 minus 9, 7 into 2. Okay, so 3 plus 2 by 7 and this value is equal to 3.286. If you divide this 2 by 7 we get 0.286. so 3 plus this one is equal to 3.286. so this is the mode of the data. So 3 plus 2 by 7 is equal to 3.28. This is the mode of the given data. Take another example. The given distribution shows the number of runs scored by the some top batsmen in the world in one-day international cricket matches. One-day international cricket matches. Number of runs scored by the different batsmen in the world. So runs, number of batsmen. 3000 to 4000 runs scored by 4 batsmen and 4000 to 5000 scored by 18 batsmen, 5000 to 6000 9 batsmen, 6000 to 7000 7 batsmen, 7000 to 8000 6, 8000 to 9000 3, 9000 to 10000 1 and 10000 to 11000 1. So this is the classified data, grouped data. To this data we have to find the mode. Once again, the given distribution shows the number of runs scored by some top batsmen in the world in one-day international cricket matches. Find the mode of the data. Find the mode of this data. Okay, so answer: runs, number of batsmen, Three thousand to 4000, 4000 to 5000, 5000 to 6000, 6000 to 7000, 7000 to 8000, 8000 to 9000, 9000 to 10000, 10,000 to 11,000 and against this class interval 4 and against this 18, okay, 18 and 9, 7, 6, 3, 1, 1. Okay. So from this we have to find a model class. Which is model class? Highest frequency E among this is 18. So this is the model class. Okay. So this is F1. Proceeding this, this is F0. Succeeding this, this is F2. And lower boundary of this model class is 4 and sum of the average of these this one and this one is L. And what is the length of the class? So 5000, 6000, 6000, 7000, 7000, 8000. So the length of the class is 1000. If you if we take a difference of these lower boundaries or these lower any lower boundaries, these lower boundaries or these lower boundaries, we get length of the class is 1000. Okay, so here L is equal to 4000, H is equal to 1000, F0 is equal to 18, F1 is equal to 18, F0 is equal to 4, F2 is equal to 9. Now mod Z is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So this is the formula. So in this formula you substitute these values, 4000 plus F1, what is F1? 18 minus F0, 4 by 2 into F1, 18 minus F0, that is 4, and minus F2, how much? 9, into H. The H is 1000, H is 1000, which is equal to 4000 plus this is 14 by how much it is? 36 minus this is 13 into 1000, so which is equal to 4000 plus 14 into 1000 by this is 23. Okay, 23, which is equal to 4000 plus 14,000 divided by 23. So divide 14,000 by 23 and add the result to this 4000, then we get mod value. Okay, how much it is? So if we divide 14,000 by 23, we get 608. So 4000 plus this one is equal to 4000 plus 608 is equal to 4608. So this is the mode of the